involved with construction at an early age. My father and my uncles were all contractors, and became an architect, registered in 3 states. In around 2007, Peter and I merged and became one company, and we formed Architectural Consulting Group.
Construction industry has been my life's work because I've always had a desire to put a building together and start with an empty piece of land and end up with a beautiful brand new building. Any publicly funded project over $1.5 million, it is required that a project management firm such as ours is on board with this. And we were involved in the project from architect selection through design and design review, the budgetary process, and to determine if the money that has been appropriated is sufficient. We are involved with to review the contractor's performance on previous projects to make sure that they will provide the service and the quality of construction that is specified.
So we all bring a certain set of tools to the table, and sometimes it's just dealing personal relationships with a particular contractor. A lot of times it's actual construction details. Now Mike is very versed in architectural. He's just a wealth of knowledge. And Pete, his personal skills dealing with the politics. So Pete can bring that to the table, and it just gives great insight for us all to work as a team.
Personally, I found ACG to be a very valuable part of the team. They were very easy to work with and very diligent.
We had a general contractor, we had several subcontractors. Each one had their own personality that could easily pull it over on someone who doesn't understand construction, and that didn't happen with Mike or Peter, because they understood construction and they were helping us along. And during construction we had some contractors go bankrupt. They helped us keep the project moving forward and on budget. They helped the general contractor do the same. Basically, this building is a 400% improvement from where we were. We were in a building that the firefighters built in 1927. We were there for 82 years. We had a $7 million budget. When it was all said and done, we were able to turn in $1 million back. So the project cost us $6 million, which at the time was unheard of for a public project to basically turn in money.
A great depth of experience in municipal projects and schools as well. The logistics of doing business on Martha's Vineyard is very difficult, and the fact that they were able to fly over here and be here in 30 minutes was invaluable.
The aviation part of it is a valuable tool to us.
And one of the things we are able to do that none of our competition does is move around the state faster than anyone else. So it's very handy for our business.
We can be in the air and maybe 10 or 15 minutes from the time we leave our desk in our office, and be on any site in the state in around 40 minutes at the most.
We have a very strict budget here. We refuse to go back to town meeting for any more money. ACG was there doing what we needed to have done, and that's like, no, they can't afford that, no, they don't want that, no, that's not in the budget, and kept them to task. So this was great for us.
We make the municipality's job easier because we understand what they're going through. We make the architect's job easier because we understand what he's going through, and we make the contractor's job easier because we understand what he's going through. Having this background in all these 3 facets of the team allow us to keep a job on track, keep the budget on track, keep the schedule on track, and make sure that everybody is getting what they are entitled to by contract.
We may not be the biggest OPM firm, but our customers believe we are the best.